Good morning, viewers. Welcome to the Indonesia News Program. With me, Maikiska, who will accompany you for the next hour by presenting a variety of interesting and useful news. Air pollution is still one of the main problems in the world, especially in Indonesia. Until now, Indonesia is one of the countries that included in the list of countries with the worst air pollution in the world, such as Jakarta. Jakarta, as the capital city of Indonesia, in recent time is still facing serious problems in terms of air pollution. And Jakarta is in the top 3 with the worst air quality levels in the world according to the source IQAir in recent times in August 2023. Air pollution is caused by polluted air of any substance, which is harmful to humans and other living organisms. According to the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, in its archive article, there are several main causes of air pollution. They are 1. Growth of industrial sector. Increased air pollution in developing countries is due to urbanization and industrialization, which is growing rapidly without being accompanied by pollution control. Number 2. Vehicle emission. The large number of vehicle users today contribute pollutants are getting bigger and bigger. Number 3. Forest burning smoke. In Indonesia itself, forest fires have become an annual contributor to air pollution in several provinces, such as Central Kalimantan, East Kalimantan, West Kalimantan, North Sumatra, Jambi, Riau, to Lampung. Air pollution that occurs not only has an impact on human life itself, but also has an impact on the natural environment. Without our awareness, we cannot realize that the nature from year to year struggles to survive and maintain its sustainability. From the effects of various pollution that occurs, which is air pollution, such as unnatural changes that we have felt, namely from ozone depletion and global climate change. Solutions that can be done to reduce air pollution around, we can increase awareness of the importance of environmental hygiene, health, greening, or nature conservation, such as reducing the use of private vehicles, sorting and processing plastic waste, also planting plants that can absorb dirty air. It can be started by familiarizing a good lifestyle from yourself, with family, and the surrounding community. Our attention to nature starts from a small step that can be a big influence on the next of natural life. I am Maikiska in today's Indonesia News Program. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.